Hello everybody, welcome back to the 37 Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a frequent place to your navigation on the XPeng vehicle. So first we get the XPeng vehicle right here. Now make sure that you're in the home app so that you have your default XOS navigation. Here, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and click on plus frequent place. And of course, let me just quickly leave it, click on the frequent place. And here, for example, if you eat McDonald's, you can add the McDonald's right here. So we're gonna click on plus. And as you guys can see, our frequent place has been added and it's right here. It's McDonald's. As you guys can see, it shows that I'm gonna be here in 8 minutes. And that's what you guys can do here. So you guys can easily add your frequent place like this. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.